Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel and welcome to Taiji Connection, the series where we look at the moves between the moves. Now today we're looking at moving from a wave hands like clouds to a grasp bird's tail. And the transition here is not too hard, but there's a couple of things that I want you to look at in particular. One, we're looking at the angle of the foot position. This is your last step in so that you can set up for your next move. And two, one of the really important things when it comes to Tai Chi, and that's using compression and expansion. Okay, so let's go get to work. Okay, so we're starting from a cloud hands position. Now this is all normal cloud hands, stepping sideways as we do this. Now, as I come across for my last one, usually we're going to take a step in to do almost like if you do another cloud hands, and that's kind of the idea you want. However, the key is in your footwork, instead of stepping in with the toes pointing same direction, as I come across, I'm going to bring my foot in almost pigeon-toed. I want to have my angle already set up for my next bow stance. When I step out, I should have the correct angle on my back foot for that bow stance. And it's all in the setup. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Otherwise, if you don't step in, your foot is gonna be at a 90 degree, which makes an incorrect bow stance. It's gonna put a lot of pressure on your knee, and it's not gonna have the correct mechanics for good weight distribution and balance, okay? Now the other thing is, we're gonna focus on the hands. Now it's very simple. Once I come across here, and I have my right hand up, my left hand down, I'm going to open up, upward, downward, circle, and then I'm going to come back to my ready position to start the grasp bird's tail, okay? So it's a very simple position. Technically, all we're doing is we're switching the hands, but we're going to open up a little bit here. Now when we open up, we don't have to reach up and down. It's not going to be this huge motion, but we want to open up the chest, we want to expand here, we want to think of lengthening the spine. So where we're at, we want to open slightly, let the arms come up and open, and then we're going to come back and we want to compress. Compression is not going to be folding, so I don't need to trap my elbows in, I don't need to bend my upper body down, but I want to think of hugging and pulling something in here, okay? But still keep a little bit of distance away from your body, okay? Let's put that together. It's very simple. So I come across, one, I step to do the change, two, now I step not all the way in. I don't want to step all the way in as if doing the change. I'm going to step in at that slight angle where it's a comfortable position, start the expansion, turn, contract here, compress, step out, and then I can go into my grasp bird's tail sequence. Okay? So one more time, from here, from my cloud hands. I'm going to continue moving, and then when I'm ready, I step at that angle, open, close, step out, and then I have good balance, good weight distribution to finish my technique. Okay, so there you have it. The idea and the concept of expansion and compression is really important for your Tai Chi, and this can go for every single movement if you look at it with a very close eye. When you practice this, really focus on lengthening the spine at first and letting the arms open up outward. At the same time, keep those elbows down. That's really important. Now, as far as the foot position, that's something that's very easy to learn, easy to look at, and easy to forget. So it's a good reminder to pay attention to how your step can set up for the next movement, okay? If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and as always, be sure to subscribe. Till next time, this is Sifu Kuttel.
Bam!